Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your TikTok app. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps and we come here to apps window and you just go down here to looking for TikTok app here and this is window. We will just keep going to find the TikTok app, then we will click here on TikTok, then we come to next window here, app info window, then you click here on force stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Now you just have to follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all TikTok settings. So see you.